We have lots of images built into the app, and we're always adding more. But if you're looking for something specific and can't find it, you can use AI alongside EDU Groove. The easiest way to do this is by using a browser with a sidebar. For this example, we'll use Microsoft Edge. To activate the sidebar, click Chat. From here, you can add whichever AI tool you're most familiar with, or use the Bing image creator that's built in. If you don't see the tool you want, or you'd like to add a different one, click the plus sign. I use ChatGPT for both images and chat, so I'll add that. Now it will be there every time you open the sidebar. Let's generate our first image to use in an activity. Inside the app, click the image icon in the left-hand sidebar. Then, in the Tool Properties panel, click Copy Image Prompt. Open the AI sidebar, paste the prompt in, and type the image you'd like to create. This will help match the style for kid-friendly coloring pages and activities. Once the image is ready, right-click and copy it. Then return to your worksheet, right-click, and paste it into your activity.